Hello guys, we are going to create our own NFT. Before that you should have installed Solana CLI and Metaplex Sugar CLI. In order to install that, you can write this command to your terminal and install it. After the installation, we are creating a folder to our project. And after that, change directory to our project folder and write code. And we create a folder that's called assets and choose any photo if you want and rename it. This is my dog also. You can rename as 0.png or JPEG. And also you should create 0.json. And we are going to copy and paste the JSON from here and change anywhere if you want. Also you can name or symbol, description, attributes. You can write any other things. And I removed attributes because I don't want to write them. And in the terminal we write sugar launch and say yes. Asks us the price of each NFT and I give 0.1. Yes, yes. And we write 500. And now, because we want to create one, and it says enter creator wallet address, and we create another terminal and find our address by writing Solana address and enter it and say 100%. And there are a lot of options and we will not use it for now. And it's same address. There are also another options, but we will use bundler. Yes, yes. And it is creating a candy machine. Yes, it has created candy machine and we will mint the NFT now. Write sugar mint -n and first one, and it's minting. And there is a transaction signature and we will copy and paste to Solana Explorer, but we need to switch devnet because we are on devnet. And we search that and we can see transaction is successful. And we will look the token address, and as we can see, our NFT is minted. Thank you for watching.